Alright, boys and girls, today I am going to be introducing two new projects to the channel, and hopefully y'all will follow along on both of them. And here they are. So let's hope that we can actually get these running and looking good in a decent amount of time, because you know the weather's gonna be warming up and might as well have some fun with the sun, in the sun. So I guess we'll start with my son's project. This is of course, China Go Kart. It is a Candy 86cc Go Kart. He's 6 years old, so this should last him for a couple of years until he grows out of it. 86cc, most people that I've talked to that have these say they run about 25-30 miles per hour. I did not realize how advanced this particular one is. I thought I was getting just like a regular go-kart. I'm used to just regular go-karts, you know, motor, centrifugal clutch, and it goes. Well, this bad boy has forward, neutral, reverse, e-brake, turn signals, headlights, hydraulic master cylinder, disc brakes on the axle, turn signal, battery, about a half a gallon tank capacity or so, nasty air filter, relays and stuff, cluster, which I guess that is to show you if it's in forward, neutral, or reverse, horn, lights on and off, turn signal, hazards, and the seat slides back and forth. This is a pretty solid unit, seems like, but let's see if we can get this actual motor and to run how it is. Here we have what I've determined to be a Baja Mini 196cc. Just from looking at the Baja Minis and the tank and the fenders and the seat and the headlight bracket, I believe this is a Baja Mini. I think it's like a SB 200 or something like that. So I don't know if it runs. I took the chain tensioner off because I was trying to figure something out for it, but I thought I'm just gonna slap it back on there. So this episode, hopefully get this running and maybe take like a test drive down the street. And same thing for the go-kart. If it actually starts, I'm gonna take it down the street. I know I don't have any brakes, but hopefully this episode we can get him started and at least, you know, take a little short run down the street. Let's get these power washed, and then we're going to see if we can get them started, and let's see how that goes, because I don't know. Either way it goes, if that motor is done for Predator 212, if this motor is done for Predator 212. So if neither one of these motors work, I'll be going to Harbor Freight and I'll be buying two Predator 212s. So either way it goes, we're gonna have two running ATVs, I guess we can call them. I don't know. So if they're not ATVs, this is comment below. I've never had a go-kart or a mini bike, so let's see if we can get them running after we get them power washed. We got it cleaned up. As it's drying, let's hit this bad boy up with a little bit of water pressure. Let's see what this look like cleaned up. Cleaned better. Before we paint this, we definitely have to strip everything off and give everything a good sand in, and probably bed line the bottom of the frame and paint the top half of the frame. But it looks better. Got a ignition switch because it did not come with the key, and then I'm going to jump the battery and see if it turns over. All right, so we have lost all daylight and now we are in the garage. All right, let's see if we can get the bike started. We ain't got a new spark plug just in case. It's an Autolite 64. So I went ahead and bought a new spark plug just to kind of help myself out. All right, so let me see. There's a little bit of gas in there. Gas tank don't look that bad. So let's give this a couple of pulls if it starts or not. Long choke on. It runs. That's good to know. Don't seem like it's running all that well, but at least we know that it starts. So that will be the end for this one. I need to figure out what to do about the chain tensioner because it's no thingamabob there on the chain tensioner. The chain is loose. I just need to lubricate it a little bit. Let's see. I'll see if I can find a tensioner and maybe the next time, maybe go for a ride. But at least we know that the motor runs, it sounds halfway decent. So, until the next time, peace.